Hello, welcome to my channel. I want to show you how to fry chicken omelette. So guys can see, this is boiled chicken. You remove the bone inside, then you cut the chicken in cube, put your onion, tomato, pepper and egg, then you mix them together, and salt, or if you like you can put seasoning. That is Maggi seasoning. Then you mix them together, then you fry them chicken omelette. So guys can see, put fry pan on the fire. It's going with noodles, indomie. Put your fry pan on the fire. So after you mix them together, then you pour it on the fry pan. Allow the fry pan to hot. Then you add small oil. You add small oil. Then you add your oil. So you now pour it. And see, this is chicken omelette going with noodles, indomie. You guys can see, you allow it to done before you turn it the other side. You reduce the light so that the food will not get done. You reduce the light. Chicken omelette. Boil your chicken, remove the bone, cut the flesh, you cut it in cube, or you shred it in julienne size. Anyhow you want it, you slice it. So guys can see, you have turned the noodle inside plate now. You fry it, you have to press it so that the egg that's inside that is not done will come out, so that it will be done well. You turn it back again. Chicken omelette go with indomie. Wow! You never eat this one before. Again, so that you fry very well. It shall be fried very well. Turn it again. Press it and check whether it fried rich inside. Back. Yes, it's done now. You have to fold it. Like I can see. Turn off the light. Wow. Wow. This is chicken omelette with indomie noodles. Thanks for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, share and like. See you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.